In this video, I'm going to show you how to import bank transactions in FreshBooks. Now to do this, first you want to go to the Accounting tab over here on the left, and then you want to go to Add Bank Account and click on the second thing, which is Create an Account. So it's going to say Upload a CSV file to import transactions manually. Click on that, and from here you first have to create your account. So I'm just going to give it a bank name. I'm going to type in Sample Bank because this is just a tutorial, and the account name is going to be the exact same one over here. The account type is going to be a bank account, and then you can of course set your reconciliation start date. I'm going to do it like this, for example. Then the opening balance is going to be 100, and then it's going to be USD. Okay, now we can basically click on the save button up top right, and that's going to save it for you just like that. And now you are on the second step where you basically have to upload it. So you have to drag or select your CSV file over here. I'm going to click on it, and then I have a demo file here. I'm going to click on open, and there we go. As you can see, description, you can choose a column, you can choose date, there's a bunch of things, amount format, so I'm going to do amount, and then category is going to be type for me. Now you can just align these in here, it's going to recognize this, and then you have the date format as well, so I'm going to leave it like this and click on import transactions. Now whenever you do that, it's going to take a few seconds, and there we go, the transactions are going to get imported. Now these things over here are just some demo transactions I created earlier, and then basically that's it. Okay, then you can go to matched and unmatched over here to essentially see how this is doing. And then over here you can see, of course, you have the edit account, you have the option to view bank reconciliation summary, or you can also reset the opening balance. Okay, so that's essentially how to import. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.